So we bought this tripod on AliExpress, and apparently it does not fit our GoPro. So we need an adapter for the tripod to fit the GoPro. And today we're going to do a little journey to the city center to find out if we can find an adapter for it for a normal price. On AliExpress an adapter costs 50 cents, but it takes about a month to arrive. And here we can maybe get it the same day, but we'll see how much they want for it. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. So we're going to the city center to see if they have this part that we need.
Yes.
Hopefully they'll have it. On the internet it says that it does have it. But they have it in the bags, not in the whatchamacallit, not by itself.
Wow.
So but anyway, we need a few other parts. We'll see what they have, right?
Yeah. We're going to Corte Inglés, MediaMarkt, and what's the name of the other one?
FNAC, but I don't think we'll need to go to FNAC. I think that if we won't find what we want in Corte Inglés or MediaMarkt, we'll just order from the internet and we'll deal with it. You know?
Unless the bag has it.
Yeah, hopefully
with all the other
hopefully
things.
the bag will have it. Yeah, hopefully, but we'll see. Hopefully. Yeah, and hopefully the audio is getting what we're talking now with the wind and everything. But we'll see. We are using a wind slayer, so we'll see how it works. I think it will catch my audio. I'm not sure if it will catch yours, but well, we'll see. We'll hope. Okay, we'll continue.
Yes.
It's recording. I'll edit it. Don't worry.
Hola. Vengo a preguntar a ver si tienes. Estoy buscando un adaptador para un trípode que tiene el típico universal, la rosca, pero es para esta cámara. ¿Lo tendrás?
Adaptadores de cámara no tengo nada.
No.
No tengo nada.
Ah, vale. Bueno.
Tenemos las cámaras, pero claro, ya se vende la cámara con todo el...
Ya, gracias.
Gracias.
Ok, gracias. Adiós. No, no.
First place failure.
Yep.
So let's go to MediaMarkt and they might have it. They might have it there.
¿Luego qué dijo? ¿Luego qué decía? Y la luz del tren, que sabe lo que hacía.
Ok.
Cogía y pues pegaba los chicles en el suelo de la gente, en las discotecas.
So now we are inside MediaMarkt. And let's check if they've got what we need. Okay, so they've got huge things here.
Okay, so yeah, it has the part.
It has?
Yeah, it has well, it has everything. It has everything more or less, but
Do you want to check if they've got the part just by itself?
yeah. Here they do. $7.99. $7.99 for the part and 20 euros for the whole bag. So
What's the bag? What do you get with the bag?
you get all of this.
Okay. Well, it's 20 euros, but it has everything you need.
Hold on. What's this one? This one is also 20 euros. And it also has the part we need. And
Okay.
it has the case. I think this one is a better buy. And it also has the part. I think this one is the better buy because it has also the case. And the case is nice.
Do you want to ask someone? 20 in one. Ah, because you have different ones. You've got 10 in one, 20 in one. This same one, but 20 in one. The 20 in one costs like 24 euros.
I think we'll take this one.
20 in one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seems like it has everything we need, but you
yes.
know what? I'll ask because I think maybe, but there's nobody to talk to.
Whoa, no, mush mush.
Put in the stroller.
She wants. We're gonna try to find someone to ask. What are we gonna ask?
Estoy mirando un MediaMarkt.
All same, busy.
Mira, aquí,
Hola.
Yo vine a recoger en la página de...
Sí, de MediaMarkt. Vale.
Este pack hay en este paquete también,
No.
¿no? ¿Y qué es este?
Aquí está eso. Sí, ahí está, exacto. Sí, sí,
igual.
sí, igual. Correcto. Sí, va con el pali. Con el palo. Lo que pasa aquí el palo. Pues entonces ahí también te lo saca. Ahí también.
Sí, también.
Vale, sí que no entendemos muy bien cuál es la...
No, que estos son 10 accesorios y estos son 20.
Ya.
Sí.
Y el estuche. Simplemente este lleva más accesorios que este.
Okay. Vale. You choose. The 20.
Yeah, we'll take the two.
Okay.
No, es la de la página.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So we bought a case with everything that we need. It cost us about 20 euros, not about 20 euros. And it has quite a lot of stuff and the part that we were looking for as well. So we're going to use it now. So we have a selfie stick. We're going to open this at home and look
Yeah,
for
you
it
should.
more thoroughly. Not here. Here we're just going to use the part that we need to make sure it fits. So we don't get disappointed yet again, right?
Yes. It would be nice.
If it fits, does it fit? Does it fit?
Yes.
Does it fit?
Yes! Victory! Yeah!
And here we go.
Yay!
Next videos we're going to be using this. Hope you'll join us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.
Okay, so we're back home and we got our case. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's inside this thing.
So exciting.
Wow. So we have the floating device. We have here, this is probably the chest harness. Here we have another connection. The selfie stick. Stickers and more connections. I guess this is the head part for the wrist, for the handlebars, and another connection. So overall, looks like it has everything we need. I'm quite happy, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventures with our new selfie stick with the tripod, which is now in action, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.